Hey guys, Chef Jason Morris. We are getting ready for tonight's Friday Night with Beef. Thought we'd give you a quick little intro just to show you what we're doing tonight. We've got a little wood-fired pizza oven going on here, and we're going to show you how to make some fresh pizza dough using simple ingredients that you have in your house, but more importantly, we're making a pretty fantastic beef pizza tonight because, you know, if you want to score points with mom and you want to become the favorite kid, right, you got to deliver and make a pretty solid pizza. So give us a shout, leave some comments, let us know you're here. We are going to have a blast tonight. Hello, Tammy. Give us a comment, let us know you're here, let us know where you're watching from, and get ready to have a blast because we're making some pretty fantastic pizzas tonight. So I will turn the camera over to my trusty assistant. Hello, how are you? Welcome. It is Friday Night with Beef. We're hanging out in my backyard, and you know, when you hang out in your backyard, people are mowing their grass and dogs are barking. It's that ambiance that makes this absolutely fantastic. So tonight, we've got a pretty solid recipe for you. We are showing you how to win major points with mom for Mother's Day and make this beautiful beef pizza. We've got caramelized onion, roasted pepper, some walnuts, cilantro. Wait, can't forget this. Little smoked blue cheese. We have an absolutely fantastic recipe for you tonight. And we're going to show you how to make pizza dough because one of the things we hear is, hey, let's stay away from pizza. Let's stay away from pizza. Not everybody can find that fancy pizza flour. Well, guess what? All-purpose flour. We're making this tonight with just some basic all-purpose flour. Getting ready to show you. It's pretty simple. I mean, pizza is water, sugar. We've got some instant dry or active dry yeast, a little bit of salt, and we've got flour. So pretty easy recipe to make. We're going to put a little bit of olive oil in there just to add some fun. So,
and hey, Kesha.
Kesha's watching too. All right, I like it. So let's get started first. We're just going to get this pizza dough going. Any comments rolling in yet there, camera lady?
Not yet.
So we've got about 6 cups of flour, but what I'm going to do is actually add about 5 in there just because I want to make sure I don't get it too dry or too wet. Now, we've got salt, sugar, and a little bit of our yeast. We want to dissolve this here in the water real quick and get that started. And this is going to make the foundation of a pretty simple pizza recipe. The pizza dough recipe I actually got off King Arthur Flour. They do such a great job of really just working hard to make sure you have great recipes using all-purpose flour, and this pizza recipe I've used before. It really does a nice job. We've got sugar in there to help feed that yeast, so that'll be fantastic and get this pizza moving along quite nicely. So we'll pour that in there. We're going on to setting number 2. So what we're going to do, and you can see right now, this guy is not quite mixed up yet. What we're going to do, though, is let it mix. And we want it to start scraping the bowl, or what we call clean up the bowl a little bit. That's going to be important to make sure it helps bring down everything from the side. So we'll let that develop for just a minute. And
let's say hello to Katie Schultz,
hi,
Andy
Katie
Rao,
Schultz,
and Julie Moore.
Andy Rao, Julie Moore. Any questions flowing in there?
Not yet.
All right. We're trying to figure out that whole question thing, right? Get our moderating skills on. So we'll come back and check on the dough from time to time. And basically what we're going to do is once this collects and starts scraping the bowl, we've got about 20 minutes of kneading to get to this point we're at right now. So what we did was got that pizza dough all set, kneaded it for 20 minutes, and then we just bench proofed it. I got to be honest, I really like making pizza dough today for today. It's such a softer dough. I like the flavor of it better, but look at this. So that was after 20 minutes of mixing. This was after 2 hours of proofing. So now what we basically do, right, is we go through here, get this guy all set, and I like to put it into a nice little pile like that. Then, once we get it clean, I actually will just go through, you guys, pinch the dough, and I'm going to divide this into probably 4 to 5 dough balls. Look at that. We have a nice little dough ball. Then we go through and set out all of those dough balls so that now it can proof or rise again. So we do that bulk, we call this kind of that bulk proofing here, and then we do this kind of that individual dough ball with the goal to get to right here. So once we proof these guys and make our dough balls, now we're left with a beautiful, beautiful dough. So guess what? You ready for pizza time? Are you ready for pizza time?
Yep.
So, like we always say, be sure to leave comments in the comment section below. We will help you find recipes, ingredients, all of that good stuff. Today's recipe can be found on beefitswhatsfordinner.com. We actually have the link put up in the comment section above, so you can go find that there and then get you just dialed in for pizza. And again, we want to thank all of our Colorado ranchers and producers for hosting us tonight and putting on our Friday Nights with Beef. We've been doing this now 5 weeks. So every Friday night we're coming to you live and just having a blast cooking with you, and we hope you're enjoying cooking with us. You look like you have a question. You have that question look.
No questions
Nothing?
yet.
All right. Hey guys, check this out. Here's my pizza secret. I'm letting you in on a secret. This is 50% flour, 50% polenta. What that does is that polenta acts like ball bearings and helps that pizza dough not stick. So we're making a pizza here. We're going to sprinkle this on nice and light.
What is that?
That's
again?
the polenta flour.
Oh, got it.
Look at this dough. Look how soft that dough is. Right?
Is it still sticky?
Nope, not at all. Nice and soft, that's what you want. So basically we went from the mixer to the bowl, made our dough balls, went onto the pizza or the cookie sheet, and just got a beautiful, nice, soft, look at that.
Are you going to throw it in the air?
No, I am not. I will, you know what, I will, yes. I not this one because I want the first one to actually work, but I will. All right, now look at this. You know we talk about it, cook once, eat twice. Here's leftover pot roast. Listen, if you're like me, you make a lot of pot roast, right? And I apparently feel like we're feeding an army at our house sometimes. So
no sauce?
No, we're going dry. Just a little bit of pot roast, right? Put some of these roasted peppers on here. Get some little bit of pepper action going.
Now, why walnuts? What does that do?
These are black walnuts. They give it just a beautiful crunch, really good flavor. Then look at this. We caramelized onions earlier. So a little bit of butter, some red onions, then we put them in brown sugar. So that's going to give it a little bit of sweetness as well. I always laugh when our dogs are in the house losing their mind because they can't come outside
they can't eat
hang
pizza.
out with us, right?
They smell the
All right.
goodness.
And you have to build these pizzas fast, you guys. Now, once we get this first pizza cooked, I'm going to show you something. Because really, when it comes to pizza, you can make this anywhere, right? I'm doing it in a fancy little pizza oven tonight, but this goes great in your oven, on your gas grill. You just need a fun little pizza stone. All right, babe, come on back. Uh-oh, we're sticking, babe. We're sticking.
I'm going to get a close-up of the pizza oven while you're screwing around with that.
Right.
There's the uni.
Yeah, just a fun little pizza oven.
Tabletop.
Yeah, there we go. We got her free. Broke free. Check this out. So we're going right in here. Now, the beauty of this little oven here is we are cooking pizzas in a hurry. So we're talking 900 degree, like true Neapolitan style. But let's do it while we're waiting. We're going to wait 20 seconds and then turn it. Guess what? You can make pizzas on a pellet grill because this will get up in that 450, 500 degrees. You just need a pizza stone. You can go in your big green egg as well. That will do a fantastic job. Or Weber kettle if you're doing charcoal kettle. And your gas grill will do a great job as well with that pizza stone. In the house, pizza stone works fantastic as well. So here's what we're doing. Look at this. Look at that. We're already starting to get some color.
Wow.
Cheese is melting. We're going back in there.
So we'll say hi to Shanoa French.
Hey,
Chester
Shanoa.
Norgren is joining us.
Who
Todd
is?
Ingley. Chester Norgren.
Chester posts.
And Todd.
Todd Ingley. Chester posts absolutely the funniest Facebook memes every single day. I get up every morning and look forward to seeing what Chester has posted because it is truly fantastic. All right, look at this.
Wow.
So this is leoparding, you guys. And when I make pizzas, you would be a little bit okay with a little bit of char in these hot pizza ovens, but that's what we call leoparding. You can get in there a little bit closer. Look at that thing.
So should you turn it down if
beautiful.
it's getting dark like that?
No. The beauty of these pizza ovens, and when you're cooking pizza in your home, on your gas grill, anything, hot, you really want that pizza to cook at a high temperature so it sets. Also, we want it to cook a little bit higher so we get that beef heated up and warmed up, and look at that cheese. You want that cheese to melt.
Okay, what kind of cheese is that again?
That's blue cheese.
Blue cheese. What other kind of cheese would be good with that?
You could do mozzarella if you wanted a little more mozzarella. I actually, the recipe just said blue cheese, so I took the creative liberty to use a little smoked blue cheese because I like that. So I think that added flavor. Question.
Where do we get the pizza stone?
Pizza stones, you can get them at a little bit crispy. That's all right.
You can have that piece.
I know, I will. You can get them at your Ace Hardware locations. You can get them at pretty much anywhere you find barbecuing and grilling. So.
And what about the paddle you're using?
This is just a pizza paddle. I get this from Uni, just one of my nice pizza paddles. And there's two schools of thought. You can do pizza on wood or pizza on metal. And I am a pizza on metal guy. I am not a pizza on wood. I like to launch it there. Get the beautiful part in the front. Don't get the chef oops in the back. But look at that. How fast and easy and delicious. Just a quick, simple pizza. So, question.
Yeah, somebody wants to know, where can you find the Uni pizza ovens?
You can, and I'm not just promoting Uni, right? It just happens to be what I had back here for pizza tonight. You can find them online. You can find them at Ace Hardware. I think it's a fantastic little pizza oven. It's just a cool little tool to have. But like I said, if you have a nice pizza stone, you could do this in your house. You can do this on the grill. You can do it anywhere. All right, hold on. Wait. You said you wanted me to flip a pizza dough.
Okay.
So here we go. This is a request, a viewer request, a camera person request. All right. So again, look at that nice, beautiful, soft dough, right? Get that all set.
Whoa.
Give it a toss.
All right, hold on. I got to catch that again.
What?
You're going to have to do it again.
Hold on. Okay, seriously. All right, hold on. That was a fail. Hold on, we'll just stretch this out. Any other questions rolling in?
Yeah. Do you need to poke the crust before you put it in the oven or the grill?
No poking on there, guys. I did not. We call that docking. I didn't dock the dough at all. I went nice and thin. The recipe that I'll put the link in the comments below. That recipe makes about 5 nice dough balls, depending on what size you want. All right, we're gonna make another pizza, right?
All right. So before you flip that, how much time would it take on the Traeger or in the oven?
About 10 minutes max. 10 minutes, 10, 15 tops. Again, just depends on what you're cooking at. But look at this. Again, nice and fast. Like I said, the flour.
Hey, you didn't flip that
Hold
again.
on, I'm going to flip the other one. I wanted to get another pizza on because I felt bad that pizza got a little barbecue. All right. So again, you have to go fast. This is a fast building pizza. You cannot horse around or lollygag. Well, because anytime you get moisture in the dough, it's going to stick. So you can already see we've got a little, just a little resistance, right? But that's okay. I have ways to get that out of here.
Oh, look at that cheese.
All right. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Want to watch me launch it again?
I do.
All right, get over here. Watch this. So again, I'm just sliding it in there and setting the dough. Again, like I said, that combination of flour and the combination of polenta really does it. Black chef's coat with pizza flour. The combination of polenta and flour does a really nice job helping it not stick. And honestly, I love that. I love that little bit of color on the bottom and a little bit of polenta.
All right. Somebody wants to know if you can use the pizza paddle in the Traeger.
Yeah, absolutely. Sorry.
How is it?
It's absolutely amazing. You can totally use the pizza paddle in the Traeger, you guys. Because again, you want this to go onto a pizza stone. So if I'm in the Traeger and I have a pizza stone, I'm just going to launch the peel onto my pizza stone and be set to go. But look at that. That came out so nice. I'm going to hide these so nobody can see them. But look at that. You have the beautiful crunch of walnuts in there.
Looks good.
Right? And like I said, this is so good because this was leftover pot roast. I accidentally made like 12 pounds of pot roast, and we're enjoying pot roast for many, many days. And this is just a great thing. And like we said earlier, if you want to help set in stone that you're the favorite kid for Mother's Day, I mean, I don't know. I don't know if it's a competition or not, but look at that. Look at that. Isn't that so nice? Look at that pot roast coming back to life.
So are the ingredients on the top getting crunchy or toasted?
Yeah, you can see like pot roast got a little bit caramelized. The walnuts got a little bit caramelized. We have a little caramel in that cheese. I mean, it's just so nice. Like that little crunch of walnut with the beef is absolutely spot on.
So if you liked sauce, what kind would you recommend?
You could do a little tomato sauce if you wanted. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. That's it. Look at that. Isn't that crazy?
That's great.
And that's just a nice, again, I have pizza flour. I have 00 pizza flour. Very, very nice Pavetti and Caputo. I have some really solid pizza flours. This is all-purpose flour. This is King Arthur, Sir Galahad flour, which works out great.
And what would you do if you didn't want to make your own crust?
Okay, you know what? That's an awesome question, because on the recipe, this says you can actually use a par-baked pizza crust. So if you get one of the Boboli shells or naan bread, you could absolutely do this on par-baked. I just wanted to get dirty and I did. I just wanted to get hands-on and show you how to make a nice, easy pizza dough using all-purpose flour.
All right, so if you don't have a roast, what other kind of beef cuts would you recommend?
You could do, keep in mind, you want something a little bit softer, right? Because if you're going to use skirt steak, chop it up fine or dice it in small pieces so that it eats a little bit better. You don't want to have bite into your pizza and pull half of the ingredients with you. So pot roast works great. Ground beef, you could do a cheeseburger pizza. That would be fantastic. And grilled steak, you know, just shave it nice and fine or cut it in small pieces. But look at that right there. That's our pizza. I mean, it doesn't get much easier than that. And the beauty of those caramelized onions are super fast. When we picked this recipe, Tammy and I were going through recipes. I'm like, man, you know, pizza sounds so good because it's comfortable, right?
And what are you putting on top there?
Just some fresh cilantro. I'll tell you what, I like this stuff, this Gourmet Garden. It is partially freeze-dried cilantro. It lasts a long, long time, but I always have fresh cilantro and I don't have to worry about it going bad. But again, super fast, super easy recipe tonight. We have up in the description section, we put the link for the recipe for the beef pizza with caramelized onions. We put that up there. And then I'll go ahead later tonight when I get back in there. That dog is crazy, right? And I'll put this King Arthur pizza dough recipe in there as well. This is fun. Get your kids involved in this. It gives them just a good chance to hang out and make pizza. I'm going to toss. You asked me to toss
All right,
a
let's
dough.
see it.
I'm going
Let's
to.
see it.
Takes me back to my.
Backing up so we can get sky high.
Really? Okay, we'll do this guy. You know, I like black chef's coats and stuff. I think they're fun. But man, when it comes to flour, just not that fun.
Well, the Norgren family is watching. Diane's joined us.
Well, Diane and Chester are probably debating over who's making who pizza tonight, or who's going to smother who with the pillow. Because Chester always puts. This is not working. Let's see if we can get this guy. Were you a big fat one? All right. Any questions rolling in?
Nope.
They're so quiet tonight. I'm not sure why everybody's so quiet.
Their mouths are watering.
Right. And again, super easy pizza to make, really fast recipe. We like when these Friday nights are fast. We don't want to just babble on for an hour at a time. What do you say? I don't babble on for hours at a time. We don't want to babble on for hours at a time. We just want to get you in and get you fed and get you going. All right, ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
How high should I go?
I feel like I should be singing That's Amore.
Oh, you know, there's an even, what the?
Well, now
Pizza
you look
fail.
like Charlie Brown's
I know,
Halloween
right?
costume.
All right. Well, anyways, you guys, I'm Chef Jason Morris. Thank you so much to the Colorado Beef Council. We really appreciate all of our farmers, ranchers, and producers doing an amazing, fantastic job to get that beautiful Colorado beef to our plates. Thank you so much for trusting me to go live on your Facebook page and have a blast and show everybody how to cook. Hey, next week is Friday, right? Friday night with beef. And we're going to smash some burgers. We're going to do some beautiful little smash burgers and just have fun. Be sure, like I always say in those comments down below, let us know what you'd like to learn how to cook and what we can do, what we can teach you and what we can show you. We want to give you things that are easy to replicate, totally fun, really giving you and your family just a chance to sit down at the table, enjoy some beef, enjoy each other's company. And that's it. That's all I have for you tonight, guys. Thanks so much. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. Be well. We will see you next Friday night for Friday Night with Beef. We're smashing burgers. So we will see you then, guys. Take care.